Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be heading to the shop to install the exhaust. So it's ridiculously cold outside. I don't have a lot of space in my garage to do the exhaust. So I talked to my buddy over at the shop and he's just going to help me out, let me use his lift, and he's going to help me install this exhaust. It shouldn't take very long at all. We got the AWE Touring Edition. I wanted the track, but I was like going back and forth, and I think the Touring is just the better option as far as noise. It still produces a lot of noise. It sounds good. It's definitely the best sounding one that I've heard so far, and I've listened, I don't know how many videos I've watched on exhausts. But we're going to go ahead and install that. There are a lot of exhausts in this price range as far as the Touring, and if I ever want it to be louder, I can pick up just the muffler delete basically for like $300 if I really want to make it louder. This is going to be a good solid exhaust for me as far as what I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and get over there. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about the product or the install, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it for you guys. I'll have it linked down in the description for you. If you guys enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get over there. Alright, so we got the exhaust laid out. We're going to start with the front portion. So we'll be disconnecting here, removing this, then we will remove this hanger, and then we can unbolt it here, and then we can remove this whole mid pipe here, and then we'll come back here, we'll remove the 4 hangers here, and then we'll be able to drop the muffler, and then we can start installing the new exhaust. Pretty easy.
Fancy.